Hello everyone, it is Walt here once again bringing you another part in this life hack series, 101 Ways to Feel Happy on a Daily Basis. And this principle is principle 13, which is to say or sing something that makes you feel happy. Okay, a few different notes on this one. So first off, affirmation's great, and my favorite affirmation, of course, being every day in every way I am getting better and better. And first off, I want to say about affirmation, if you haven't seen my affirmation video, basically it is a statement about your future self, and it's stated in the present moment as kind of, this is who I am in the future, and so it allows you kind of to become that person, basically is the idea behind affirmation. The singing part also has a lot of merit to it because what it's about is when you sing, okay, you're accessing a lot more of the different parts of the brain besides just language processing. When you speak in normal language, even if you add feeling to it, when you add feeling to it, of course, you're getting some of the emotional parts involved, and which is going to impress this more on the subconscious mind. But regardless of that, if you are using music or song, okay, music accesses many parts of the brain and not just language processing. So it has a lot more power to it, and it's why it has more emotion to it. It's also a reason that we can remember song lyrics a little better than we can remember just day-to-day conversation. The rhythm and the beat really has an interesting effect on the brain. And this is pretty cool when it comes to dealing with certain types of dementia, and also, of course, with dealing with different types of trying to get people to put language back together after injury. So we have some interesting cases of where somebody's shot in the head, and you have, like I was seeing a video in my perception psychology class where this person is unable to speak, and somebody's saying, okay, can you just say this sentence? And they can't say it, but when they get them to sing it, they can sing it without any errors. Why? Because you have access to different parts of the brain. And using music, they were eventually able to kind of find ways around some of the damaged tissue and being able to establish better neural pathways to kind of form a working language, and through music able to redevelop some of their speech skills. Now, this is no magic, this is no, kind of miracle, this is just basic kind of neurobiology and psychology. So when you use this technique, when you say something that's going to make you feel happy, it is going to act, with neuroplasticity here. It's going to strengthen the neural pathways that align with that. So when you say things that make you feel happy, you'll feel happier. And when you do things like smiling, which is the first kind of principle in this series, you naturally are establishing those pathways to be stronger, okay? Now, this also is the case when you sing something, but it can be something even more emotional. So if you sing your favorite song, you'll be happier. If you sing something that makes you happy, if you sing your own affirmations, that can really be effective, but there are a lot of really good techniques for this. And when you go out and just kind of say something that makes you feel happy or sing something that makes you feel happy, you will feel happier overall, and in the long run, it will make you a happier person. Anyway, that's about it for Principle 13. I'm Walt. I'll see you guys next time with our next principle. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.